the question of national referendum has become a central background in the constitutional showdown. Zarabina mashkwari kuda pangwani kwachizidi the referendum debate, a battle for democratic legitimacy. Dodibo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina my Zimbabwe news zora national brand update yaunonyera achiti. The opposition and civil society groups, despite their internal divisions and fragmentation, largely contend that a referendum is legally necessary, especially since the proposed changes effectively amount to a removal of term limits. Prominent opposition figures, including Tendai Biti and Jameson Timber, have vociferously argued for its democratic safeguard. Conversely, the government and the ruling ZANU-PF party maintain that a referendum is unnecessary. They argue that the changes merely involve adjusting the electoral cycle and do not constitute an alteration of term limits. Their justification is that lengthening the electoral cycle from 5 to 7 years is intended to ensure political stability and address the toxicity associated with the disputed elections in Zimbabwe. This stance, however, is met with skepticism by legal experts who argue that extending a presidential term from 5 to 7 years fundamentally alters the presidential term and therefore necessitates a referendum. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ine ari kunokunzi nhau yekuenda kureferendum ndo iri kutsiridza, ndo iri kuita kuti magenerals panguva ino vadye magaka mambishi, panguva ino vauye vachinyatso kubuda pachena vachiti zviri kuitiwa izvi asati akambozviona. Zviri kutotishamisawo kuti why is it vanhu vachizongova ruthless to the citizens vavanotungamirira, to the people vanovaisa in power. Pena comment section medu zvafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.